Open your finger.
Open.
Yeah, good. Egg. Did you see already the butterfly's egg? So this is the butterfly's egg. After 3 to 5 days, it will hatch and become a caterpillar. Then the caterpillar, it takes 10 to 15 days to eat leaves. So later, we will see yung malalaking caterpillar. Makati ba yan? Hindi po sir. Yung higad ang makati sa moose lang pag butterfly, they're hairless.
Look. Be careful, ha?
Like a scissor, like this. But gentle, ha? Okay?
Gentle. Gentle, ha?
You told me that.
No.
You said you want to touch.
I want to.
Oh, good.
Oh, very good. Elsa, be careful.
Okay, then when you release, just drop it, okay?
Open your finger.
Open.
Yeah, good.
Very good.
Or Idiopsis leucono scientific name.
Oh.
Name?
I want to touch it.
Want to catch it? Oh, be careful, ha? Scissors.
I'm scared.
Don't be scared. Like
Scissors
that,
lang. Scissors. You can touch.
Oh, sabay kayo dalawa.
Scissors.
Scissors.
Si Enzo.
So, oh yeah. See. Soft lang. Soft.
Din wala din yung powder sa wings, sir. Not same as the moth.
Soft lang.
Na may powder sa wings. Na Makati yun.
Happy daddy. Scissors.
Wow!
Touch lang. Soft lang. Touch lang. Touch. Touch. Very good. Oh, drop.
Yeah, good job.
Wow!
How about you, Sophie? Okay, don't touch it. Come on, let's go.
Ito po.
Be careful, Elsa.
Yan yung Papiliopolypis or lime butterfly. Yan yung sa mga kalamansi natin na color green na caterpillar. Pag female siya, black, red, at saka white or orange. Pag male naman, ganyan lang, black and white. Yan female, yan ang male.
Lucas, be careful.
Since nagbe-breeding tayo ng mga butterfly dito, ma'am sir, everyday may makita tayong butterfly. Not same outside seasonal. Ang lahat ng changes na metamorphosis, makikita talaga natin dito, which is malalaking caterpillar na po. Yes po sir. Pero hindi sila higad or makati po ha. Yung higad or makati, specific lang talaga sila sa moth. Kaya bawal tayo mag-alaga ng moth.
Moth?
Yes po. Pag butterfly, they are hairless talaga. Walang balahibo. Kaya safe na safe po talaga. Yung balahibo kasi ang nakaka-irritate talaga sa balat. Yan.
Look.
Caterpillar.
Caterpillar. Lucas.
Oh.
Caterpillar.
Yeah, it's okay.
Don't touch it.
Yan. So after 10 to 15 days of eating the leaves, it will turn into a pupa or chrysalis. So dyan na natin i-separate kasi pag walang makain yung caterpillar, yun ang kakainin nila, yung pupa. Nagkakanibalism din sila. So dito, 7 to 10 days, mag-hatch na siya into butterfly po. Yes, that's a kiwi. Sa mga guyabano natin na butterfly.
Totoo pala yan?
Yes po ma'am, katulad dito, emphasize niya ang wings niya. Within this day, mag-hatch na siya into butterfly. Pero pag ganito sobrang dilaw pa lang, it takes 7 to 10 days pa yan.
Ito, na-hatch
Yes, so,
na.
yan, bagong hatch pa lang ma'am, bawal pa lang natin i-release outside kasi basa pa yung wings.
Basa pa ang wings.
Yes po, once basa pa yung wings, papatayin lang siya ng mga ants or langgam kasi sa labas, one of their predator. Kaya dito sir, we try to preserve and conserve their cycle talaga.
Ants ang predator.
Yes po. Kaya dito everyday may mga butterfly talaga. Pwede po kayo mag-take picture dyan ma'am ha sir? Pwede po ako mag-picture sa inyo gamit yung cellphone niyo po. Ako naman mag-guide sa